So let's break this single file program into multi-file program. Basically, we will typically have main.c as one file and linked-list.c as another file and linked-list.h as yet another file. So I will just break it into multiple files. So I will copy this content, list 8. So I go to that list 8 directory. I will maybe copy this thing to main, and I will copy the same thing to list.c. I will copy it to list.h also. So I have these three files now, main, list and this. Let's see what's there in each. So main.c, you will typically include the list.h. This content, declaration, etc., this will go in list.h. And these prototypes will also go in list.h. This implementation of different functions will go in list.c. So in effect, from line number 7 till line number 108, I can delete. So main has only this thing. It includes list.h and it invokes those functions which are provided by the list abstract data type, and the prototype and the structure node_t is provided by list.h. Let's see the list.h, what it will have. List.h will have this type def. It will have the prototype of all the functions. So I will delete the body, but I will keep the prototype. And main function, obviously it will not have. So 22 till end, I get rid. This is my content of the header file. It has the data type and the prototypes. And of course, all header files have this double inclusion protection mechanism. So I will have if and def __ list h __ at the end if. So that's my header file list.h. stdio and stdlib not needed here. Let's see list.c. It will also include list.h. This data type declaration doesn't belong to C files, and these are the functions implementation, so naturally they are needed. Only the main function below has to be deleted. So 113 till end can be deleted. Let me compile it. Let me compile main.c, list.c, and let me use that -w all and -g. And it works quite well. And this is how you can just divide it into multi-files. One clean way is that you can start with the header file, keep all the data, declarations, external variables and function prototypes here. In the main, you kept only main and include the header file. In the list.c, you include the header file and keep the implementation of the functions.